Welcome to chemistry. My name is Mrs. Wharton, and I'm going to show you how the best ways to navigate the course. So up at the top of the homepage is always announcements, and I will always put a new announcement in every Monday. And you can see previous announcements up here too. The last 3 announcements show up at the top of the page, and then you can click over here if you need to see some of the older ones. As you can see on our homepage, some important dates. We're going to be using Remind instead of Google Voice this year, so I will have a Remind code put up here, and hopefully that will be put up here in the next couple days. Down here for live sessions, we do have live sessions. You can have your choice of attending Mondays or Tuesdays, and those will start next week. So Monday the 19th will be our first live session. Before that happens, you want to do a systems check. So you will want to click on here and check to make sure that you have Java installed, any other programs, anything that's checking to make sure your computer can actually run the Adobe Connect live sessions. The big thing about navigating is I want you to navigate from over here on modules. Over here will be a to-do list, and your assignments will show up over here. Well, I don't want you to use the assignment clicking over here because you're going to miss some information that you will need to complete the assignment. So you click over here on modules. This is the getting started, the orientation. This is in every single course that we're offering right now for fall, exactly the same. And then here is Honor Lock. If you haven't worked with NVLA before, or it's been a while, we do have a proctoring system called Honor Lock. This Honor Lock will be engaged for every quiz that you take, and what it will do is it keeps your browser from being opened. It makes sure that you're not on a cell phone, so that way we can make sure all the quizzes are your own work and not anything else. So there's instructions here, and that you will need to take a practice quiz. This will be required before you can actually start content. So you're going to want to make sure that you get this done. You will need a webcam. So make sure you look through the student information, and there's instructions in here as well. Please contact me if you have any questions about the Honor Lock. The big part of this video, what I want to go over is you need to navigate through modules here, but it's for these main pages. The main page gives you a little bit of idea of what we're going to be covering and more information than just the assignments. So for example here, this gives you the periodic table that I've referenced a lot of times and that you can use it. You know, the link to use it. Here's our notebook. The notebooks are used on the quizzes, so even though you can't Google answers, you can't necessarily use your phone to search for anything, you actually can use the notes that you take in class. Each of these assignments is an assignment that you can click on that, yes, they would be in the to-do list, but I want you to navigate from here. If something happens, a link is broken, please let me know. And then maybe if you had to, you could go from the to-do list if the link was broken, but let me know and I will fix those as soon as I can. But here's an example, test your skills. This is not going to have a due date, but so it's not worth a grade. However, it's a good study guide before you actually take the summative quiz. We have Gizmo Labs, and the Gizmo Labs are actually embedded in the course. So you don't need a separate login or anything. They are actually always in the part 1 of the labs. And finally, why do you want to navigate on these main pages? It's because there's a help button. The help button will have videos, things that actually will help explain the notes, explain a concept in another way. I picked really good videos, ones that are succinct and actually, hopefully not as boring as a science video could be. So hopefully these are a little bit more entertaining. And also some websites. So maybe you'd rather read than actually watch a video. Well, then you can actually do that. And underneath the videos, I did put what the topic was. So if it is isotopes you're having some problems with, then this would be the symbol that you would want to watch. So to reiterate very quickly, modules. This is where you want to click in order to navigate. Then scroll down Once you start content, start here from the main pages. Yes, you could click through here, but again, you'll miss some information that you might need that will help you be successful. If you notice, look at these due dates. It says June 3rd. So yes, I am going to have to update the due dates so that they will reflect for this semester. Welcome to chemistry. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer it or help you with any concepts you have through the semester.